Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today we're going to study about basic ideas from chapter number 2. Here we have couple of objectives. Let's first see the objective. After this lesson you will be able to know. So the objective number 1 is here, diffusion, and second is concentration. These two are the objectives of today's lesson. So now let's see these things first from your textbook. Invisible particles, the particles you can't see, these are invisible particles. For example, like air, you can't see air but you feel it. So the particles of the air are invisible because you know that everything made up of very small particles, we name them atoms. So here we're going to discuss about a term named as diffusion. Before to study this whole paragraph, let me to share a slide with you where you can see the definition of diffusion. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of a substance from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Mean to say, one area where the amount of that substance is more. For example, in kitchen where your mom or sister or maid, anyone who cooked something and you feel the smell from other room. So it's mean the amount or the smell, or you can say that the cooked food, its aroma is more in the kitchen compared to any other room of your house. So these particles of the smell is moving from the kitchen to the other rooms. So you can say that the kitchen is a place where the amount or where the substance is more, or you can say that high concentration, and they move from higher to lower, mean to say in the room. So what is the concentration? A close gathering of people or things. This is the meaning of concentration. Now let's see from your textbook. The perfume gives off invisible particles of itself. These particles mix with the gas particles in the air. When particles mix alike, this is called diffusion. Diffusion happens by itself. There is no force need to do or this need for diffusion. You don't need to mix or stir the substances. The particles move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. This in front of you, like this, the perfume, when you're going to open its lid, the particles of perfume going to mix with the particle of air and it will start to move everywhere in the room.